In today's video, I am going to teach you how to build forms in Mailerlite. To get started, open your browser and log into your Mailerlite account. Use your normal login method and make sure you are entering your details on the official Mailerlite website. Once you are inside your dashboard, take a moment to let the page load fully. Mailerlite has several sections in the main navigation, and starting from the dashboard helps make sure you are in the right place before creating your form. Next, look for the Forms section in the main menu. Depending on your screen size, this may appear in the left-hand menu or within the main navigation area. Click on Forms to open the Form Management area. This is where Mailerlite keeps the different types of sign-up forms you can create and manage. You may see existing forms here if you have created any before, but for this tutorial, we are going to create a new one. Now, click Create Form. Mailerlite will ask you to choose the type of form you want to build. You may see options such as pop-ups or embedded forms. A pop-up form appears on top of your website content based on settings you choose, while an embedded form is placed directly into a page, blog post, sidebar, or another section of your site. Choose the form type that best matches how you want visitors to subscribe. This choice affects how the form will appear and how you will publish it later. After selecting the form type, Mailerlite will ask you to name your form. Give it a clear name that helps you recognize its purpose later. For example, you might name it based on the page where it will appear or the offer it supports. This name is mainly for your own organization inside Mailerlite. Then select the subscriber group where new contacts from this form should be added. Subscriber groups are important because they help you organize your audience and send the right emails to the right people. Once the basic form information is set, you will move into the form editor. Mailerlite uses a drag-and-drop editor, which makes it easy to adjust the form without needing to write code. In this editor, you can customize the design and the fields that appear on the form. You may adjust the text, colors, spacing, button style, and layout so the form fits your brand and your website. You can also choose which fields you want to collect, such as an email address or name, depending on what information you need from subscribers. Take your time in this section, because the design and fields can affect how likely people are to complete the form. Keep the form clear and simple. Make sure the button text is easy to understand, and check that the form looks clean before moving forward. When you are satisfied with the design, click Save and Continue. This will save your work and take you to the Settings page. On the Settings page, you can configure how the form behaves. The exact settings you see may depend on the form type you selected. For a pop-up, you may be able to choose timing options, such as when the form appears to visitors. You may also see visibility settings that control where or when the form is shown. If double opt-in is available, you can decide whether subscribers need to confirm their subscription before being added fully to your list. These settings help you control both the visitor experience and the quality of your subscriber list. After reviewing the settings, click Save to finish the creation process. This confirms your form setup and stores the final version inside your Mailerlite account. At this point, the form has been created, but it may still need to be embedded or published before visitors can actually see and use it on your website. Finally, follow the platform-specific instructions provided by Mailerlite to embed or publish the form on your website. The instructions may vary depending on your website platform and the type of form you created. For an embedded form, you may receive code or integration instructions to place it on a page. For a pop-up, Mailerlite may guide you through connecting it to your site so it can display correctly. Follow the instructions carefully, then check your website to make sure the form appears and works as expected. That covers everything you need to know.